Hello guys, we'll show how to download Windows 10 in this tutorial. We can store it in ISO file or we can store it in USB, or we can also upgrade. So let's move on to the Microsoft page and we'll find the Windows 10 how to download. From Google also we can search using Windows 10. Now we can see a list of search options here. Download Windows 10 disk image. Click on download Windows 10 disk image. We can move on to the page microsoft.com, where we have a option download Windows 10 with update now option and also download tool now. Update now will update your current laptop or system to the latest Windows 10. Else you want to move on to creating an image ISO file or a USB drive, use the download tool option here. Click on the download tool. We can see a media creation tool creating a file here. Once it got downloaded, let's open the tool now. Click on yes to continue. Then we'll see the tool which opens, which takes few things to get ready to set up your Windows 10. So using this tool we can create Windows 10 software, ISO file. This is a media creation tool. So let's accept the button, the license terms and agreement. Once we click the accept, we're waiting for things to get ready. So now we can see what do you want to do. So we have two options: upgrade this PC now. The second option is to create installation media. You can save it into USB flash drive or DVD or ISO file. You can attach your flash drive and save it in your flash drive. So you can use that flash drive to boot on your machine to install Windows on your different machine. So let's create the media. We'll choose the second option now. Go to next. Click on next button now. We can see the language default English and edition Windows 10, the architecture 64-bit. These are the recommended, is being used the recommended options for this PC, or else you want your own options, different options you have. Unclick this and you can choose your own options. You can choose your language. Different languages are there in the list, and you can choose either 32-bit or 64-bit. Also we can have a both. So both versions will be stored. Both the architecture versions will be stored in this. Once we click, we can choose the ISO file, or you want to store it in USB. You want to create ISO file within the same PC, we can create a ISO file, image file. We can burn it into DVD or choose a USB, but we have to ensure that at least 8 GB of your free space is needed in your flash drive. The capacity of your USB flash drive should be of 8 GB. Then click on next. Attach your flash drive, then you can find your flash drive. Then go for next. It will save it in your flash drive. It will take 5 to 10 minutes. We're going back to choose it as ISO file. Choose the ISO file where we want to store your image file in the local system. Any of the folder you can choose it. It's getting ready now. So very simple to create your image file or downloading your Windows 10 into your flash drive. The process started. It's in progress with 1% now. Wait for 10-20 minutes. The new latest Windows 10 version is ready to install after download. So this image tool, the media tool, can help you to download easily from your Microsoft.com. Okay guys, done with creating a image file and USB file. So these step by step can help you to create your image file and you can install on your machine. Thank you all.